guys, so I picked up 4 of the new sticker books that were just released by the Happy Planner. So I'm gonna do a flip through for all 4 of them. There are other sticker books out there, but these are the ones that I picked up. So if you are still, you know, kind of debating on what to get, I'm gonna be doing these flip throughs for you guys, and I hope you enjoy it. All right, so here is the winter sticker book. This is a 514 piece sticker book. I got the winter one that came out last year, but I wanted to pick this one up too after I saw some flip throughs. So first page, it says eat, drink, and be merry. Some really pretty colors in here. It's not just your typical, I don't know, winter colors or even Christmas, because a lot of this is like Christmas themed. He has some sophisticated color palettes with this sticker book. I did a flip through of the Merry and Bright one if you would like to see that. So down here it says ugly Christmas sweater party. We have visit Santa, let it snow, cold hands, warm heart, send a holiday card, order holiday cards, let's make gingerbread houses, wrapping presents, and we have like 3 wrapping present stickers in different colors. Leave out cookies and milk, bake cookies. And these are all paper stickers. Now this is like, mine's kind of like coming up a little bit, like some of it's peeling off, but this is kind of like a holographic red foil, and it has the Christmas countdown. And these are clear stickers. Then we have this page of Santa Claus here, and it's outlined in light blue. And these are paper stickers. Ooh, I love this page. Love this page, oh my God. This is a page of different ornaments, and this is a page of clear stickers. And these are, look at this color palette. Super sophisticated and different. Love that. Okay, this page here, I don't know why this whole book reminds me of Old Navy during Christmas time, like their advertisements. We have burgundies, seafoam, a lot of different colors, blush, really pretty. Winter festivities, this is for like the monthly, but you can use that in your weekly layout as well. Colorful boxes on the side there. And then at the bottom we have today, shopping, and then holiday party with friends with these dogs with, or reindeer antlers and stuff on there. This is my second time seeing the white elephant gift exchange, but I'm filming all these on the same day, so yeah. So then we have these double box stickers, holiday travels, and then it says location there. Hope that shows up well. And it's in foil, so it might not be as easy to see. Then we have Dear Santa. I have been very nice, super duper nice, or just a bit naughty. We have this kind of postcard with a gingerbread stamp. We have this paper sticker here. It's a Christmas tree. And then we have these stickers here that say what, when, and where. Then we have these decorative stickers. This says Happy Holidays, Merry Christmas. Then we have Fa La 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 La. We have Oh What Fun with this dog here with the antlers. Then we have Santa Claus with Believe, warm cup of holiday cheer. It's the merriest, happiest, loveliest season of all down here. And a lot of these stickers have foil on them. Then we have Merry, Merry, Merry. And we have like all these kind of like decorative circle stickers. This ornament, Oh What Fun, heart candy canes, comfort and joy, a Christmas tree, ho ho ho, and burr. Then we have this page of clear stickers with Mary. Ooh, did I miss that? Yeah, I did. We have this page of these different dogs here. I think this is a corgi. We have in this page, it's like a deep forest green. It kind of looks like it's black on camera, but it's actually a forest green. And it has these corgis with different sweaters and antlers, and then wrapped in the Christmas lights. Super cute. So when you take the stickers off, it's going to be outlined in the dark green color. Then we have this page here of clear stickers with different quotes. Be jolly, oh what fun, believe, Holiday cheer, 'tis the season to sparkle, merry, and then some Christmas lights. Then we have these double boxes here with Christmas lights, a barn, and some hot cocoa. And then on the side, we have these functional header stickers. Remember today, Erin's to-do list. And then remember, kind of repeats. Then we have these double boxes again. The headers are, it's like a silvery, I guess it's kind of copper. Yeah, it's like copper, but like in certain angles it looks silver, but it's copper foil, and it says New Year's plans. New Year's plans, weekends are for giving, holiday plans, and then we have some functional boxes in different colors on the side. We have these reminder stickers with, it's kind of like a wreath with, okay, it says reminder today, important, and reminder again. These are all paper stickers. This page is super cute, all paper stickers. This one says pick out a Christmas tree, sweater weather, love. Then we have this decorative sticker down here, home for the holidays, snow day, stay cozy, hand warmers, jingle bells, and get cozy with a coffee mug down there. And then up top we have airport pickup. Those are paper stickers. This page is full of clear stickers, and we have this corgi with wrapped in Christmas lights. I'm pretty sure it's a corgi, correct me if I'm wrong. Then we have ho ho ho, and I like the texture that these letters have. They're kind of like chalk, kind of looks like they're written in chalk or crayon or something. Comfort and joy. And I like how dynamic these fonts are. Like it's not just this font, we have a lot of stuff mixed in there. Then we have some holly, some coffee, some hot chocolate, joy, and bah humbug. Another page of clear stickers, wishing you a Merry Christmas, making memories. It's the merriest, happiest, loveliest season of all. And then at the bottom it says merry and bright. And we have this truck here with a Christmas tree on the back. We have this candy cane and some more holly. This page is mint and gold foil, super pretty, merry and bright, hot cocoa, and fuzzy socks. Son of a nutcracker, sweaters, snowflakes, cozy blankets, and hot cocoa. We have jingle bells, stay cozy, coffee, and Christmas music. They're setting a scene with these stickers, seriously. Then we have this page of functional boxes, colorful boxes with a little bit of design at the bottom with some washi tape in the middle, washi stickers in the middle. Oh my God, do y'all see this? This is so gorgeous. Oh my gosh, I love it. A page of Christmas holiday sweaters, super cute, paper stickers. These aren't clear stickers, paper stickers here. Look at all of these sweaters. Again, the color palettes are sophisticated and super cute. Then we have some snowflake stickers sprinkled on here as well. Now we have some monthly stickers, but again, you can use these with your weekly spreads as well. It's napping weather with the little dog on there. Oh, what fun today. Don't get your tinsel in a tangle. Merry and bright, noted. And then in the middle, we have some other quote stickers. Let's stay home and snuggle, coffee and Christmas music, and then ho ho ho. Another page like that, but with a little bit of different stuff on here. Coffee and Christmas, sweater weather, stay cozy. 'Tis the season to be freezing. Lazy days, to do, and then the same kind of stickers in the middle. Okay, this page is all full of quotes, and these are clear stickers. Welcome winter, joy to the world. If it's snowing, then I'm not coming. And then on the side, we have December, January, and February, which is really good when I decide to do like Bujo spreads and stuff like that. Super, super cute. Okay, and this page is silver foil with holly. Very pretty. I don't really use silver with my spreads, but I think that's really nice and wintry. Then we have this page of functional stickers here. Kind of a different palette from like what you would think for winter, but that's pretty cool there. Then we have this page of different Christmas trees. Some of them are decorated, some are not. And then this page of different cats. I can't even say some of these puns. Okay, so this is Meowee Catmas. This is Santa Paws, Feline Festive. All I Want for Christmas is Mew. All I Want for Christmas is Mew. 'Tis the Season, Tabby Jolly. Okay, and then Having a perfect holiday. And then we have some paper stickers on the side with different lights. Then we have a page of quotes and snowflakes in silver foil, Spread Christmas Cheer, Merry Everything, and Happy Always. And then on the side we have in a Happy New Year. Super cute. And then we have some sloths in here. One with a sweater, a Christmas hat, like hanging on a Christmas tree. One in a Christmas stocking. Eat, Sleep, and Be Merry. All these are clear stickers. This one has on a scarf. This one says, Wake Me Up When Winter Is Over. And then Slow Ho Ho. Okay. They went crazy with the puns this year. And then we have some of these letter stickers. And during winter, Valentine's Day is a part of it. So they have a section for Valentine's Day, which I think is really, really cool and appreciated. Really pretty. So we have Love, 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 Date Night, Galentine's Day, Valentine's Day Party, XOXO, V-Day Plans, and then Date Night, You're the Cat's Meow. And then we have this page here of clear stickers. Hello Wintertime, Winter Fun, Cozy Weather Vibes, Snow Day, Burr, New Year's Day, New Year's Eve, New Year's Party, and then we have these numbers here. Let's Celebrate, and this is for like just putting the years and stuff or whatever you want it to be. And that was it for the winter sticker book. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and make sure you are subscribed and your notifications are turned on. Be sure to follow me on Instagram at Hearts in a Plan. And tell me down below, did you pick up the winter sticker book? Which sticker books did you pick up from the 2021 release that Happy Planner just had? Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Drop me some love below and like this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.